Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. So today we solve the questions on determinant based on properties. Okay, so write it. Using properties of determinant, prove that, just write determinant A minus B plus C. A minus B plus C, and here you write B minus C plus A, and third column is C minus A plus B, and is equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC minus 3ABC. You have to prove this result. Okay. Your first column is A minus B plus C, B minus C plus A, and third column is C minus A plus B, and is equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. You have to prove this result. Okay, so how you prove? Just you applying the operation in such a way that you are able to take out common from any row or column. Understand? So just see, if you applying the operation, that means C1 is replaced by C1 plus C2 plus C3. So here you have A plus B plus C, and at this position you have 0, and here you have 2 times of A plus B plus C. So in this way you can take A plus B plus C common. Understand? So applying it. So taking left side and applying operation, C1 replaced by C1 plus C2 plus C3. So what is that? Here you have A plus B plus C. Here you have B and C. And here you have 0. And 2 times of A plus B plus C. And here you write as it is B minus C plus A, C minus A, and A plus B. You have the elements like that. Now taking A plus B plus C common in first column. So if you take out common, so you have A plus B plus C into determinant. Here you have 1, 0, and here you have 2. B minus C, and C plus A. And in third column you have C minus A, and A plus B. A plus B. So in this way you have the determinant which we left. Okay, so what you do here, you have to make that means at least 2 0 in a row or column. So one of the 0 is here, you have seen, and in place of 2 you convert it in 0. Okay, so how it becomes 0? When you applying the operation.
So R3 replaced by R3 minus 2 R1.
Yes, R3 is replaced by R3 minus 2 times of R1. So in this way, it becomes 0, and expand it with respect to that row or column which contains more number of 0. So yes, it's better to solve it by its own. Yes, trying to simplifying and check it. Yes, are you getting this result or not? Yes, trying it better. Yes, so here you applying operation, R3 is replaced by R3 minus 2 times of R1. R3 replaced by R3 minus 2 times of R1. Now applying it and check it, what is your result which you obtained here. Yes, just check it. So if you applying here, so you have A plus B plus C, and here you write first row as it is, 1, B and C. Here you have 0, B minus C, and C minus A as it is. And in third row, here you have 0, here you have C plus A minus 2B, and A plus B minus 2C. A plus B minus 2C. So in this way, here you have the element. Now expanding with respect to C1 and multiplying. So that be in a form of an identity, because you know the identity A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to a plus b plus c, and within the second bracket you have a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So that identity is equal to here the right side, which is to be proved. That means aq plus bq plus cq minus 3abc. So just check it. Done, beta? Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you trying to solve it. Okay. Now next question, which was asked in 2012 and 6. Yes, write it. So here you see that most of the questions are of same type. Okay, but here you have to think which operation here you obtained to make the common in a row or column and take out common element which we obtained there, and yes, trying to make at least 2 0 in a row or column, and sometimes it is not possible to make all the element in a row or column become 0, means 2 zeros are there. So you trying that means uh, maximum number of 0 as the element of determinant, and then expand it with any row or column. Okay, so write it. So here you have to prove b plus c, and b, and here you have c. Here you have a, c plus a, c, and third column is a, b, a plus b, and is equal to 4 times of a, b, c. Here you have to prove that that be equal to 4 times of a, b, c. Okay, so check it which operation here you use to simplifying all that. Okay, so what you do in that case?
C1 plus C2 plus C3.
C1 plus C2 plus C3. So if you are just to see what are you getting here, if you applying C1 plus C2 plus C3, so you have 2a, and here you have b plus c, 2a plus b plus c, and here you have a plus 2b plus c. So how it is common? There is no any common element in between them. Okay, so what you do here, here you applying that means in row wise. Yes, here you applying r1 is
So
replaced
C1
by
equals to C1 plus C2.
c1 replaced by c1 plus c2. No, no,
No,
not
sir, no, sir.
no. Here you applying in this way. Just
replace by
listen.
R1 plus R2.
R1,
Sir,
yes,
R1 replaced
R1,
by R1 plus R2 plus R3.
R1 is
Then
replaced
2
by.
will be common.
Listen. R1 is replaced by R1 minus R2 minus R3. You subtract it, so here you make 0. In this way, here you have 0. Understand? Yes, use it. So here you taking left side, and R1 is replaced by R1 minus R2 minus R3. Okay, R1 minus R2 minus R3. So just check it. What are your result here? So B plus C, and here you subtract this one. So B is cancel, and C is also cancel out. So here you have 0. Now come to this one. So if you are subtracting, so A is cancel out.
Minus 2C.
Yes. So what
Minus
you have?
2C.
Minus 2C is there. So right here minus 2C, and in this case A is cancel out, and here you have minus 2B.
Minus 2B.
Yes, so write here minus 2B in this way, and write remaining elements B, C plus A, C, B, and A plus B. Understand? So in this way you can take 2 common. Yes, in this way you have you can take 2 common from the element. Understand? Now what you do, here you have to make other 2's also. So whatever be possible.
C1
you
minus
try-
C3.
yes, you can trying to make other zeros also. Okay. So first of all, you are taking here two common. So if you are taking two common, you have 0, B, C, and here you have minus C, C plus A, C, and here you have minus 2B, and here, sorry, not 2B, minus B,
minus
B,
B.
and A plus B. Yes. Now, what you do? Just listen. Here you have minus B. In third column, you have minus B, and here you have B. So what you do? Here you have to add. No? So R2 is replaced by R2 plus R1. So here you have 0. So here you have 0. In this way, yes, in this way you can simplifying it. Okay, and this we also added. So here you have 0. Understand? Sometime there is not possible to make two zeros in a row or column. Understand? So what you do? You have to make zeros in the entire element of the determinant as the entire, that means that is position. Wherever the zero is possible, you make it. Understand? So here you applying operation R2 replaced by R2 plus R1. Understand? And yes, R3 is also replaced by R3 replaced by R3 plus R1.
R3 plus R1.
R1. So here you have 0. Understand? In place of C, here you have 0. So use it. So just here, write it here. So 2, which is common here. So in first row, you have to write as it is 0 minus C minus B. Understand? 0 minus C minus B. And in second row, you add R1 and R2. So here you have B.
B.
Here you have A. And
A.
here you have 0.
0.
In third column, C.
C0.
Here you have 0. And here you have A. Okay. Now check other element. So the other element cannot be 0 here. So you expand it with respect to R1. So here you expand it with respect to R1. Okay. So write it. So here you have 2 times into. So this element have which negative sign. So you can write C times. Now eliminating first row and second column. So here you have AB. Here you have A into B, minus B into, yes, again eliminating third row column and first row. So you have 0 and minus AC. So right here minus AC. Yes, solve it. So 2 times of ABC, and here you have plus ABC, which is 2ABC, and 2ABC into 2 is equal to 4 times of ABC. That is your right side. That is your right side. Understand? So sometime there be a situation in which means two zeros are not formed in a row or column. So you trying to make yes maximum number, that is number of zeros in the entire element of the determinant, and then expand it with any row or column. Okay. So that was asked in 2012 and 6. Okay. Now next question. Yes, right. Next question, using property, that was asked in 2015. Yes, note it. Yeah, using properties of determinant, prove that a square plus AB and second column BC, B square plus BC, and third column is AC plus C square, AC, and C square is equal to 4 times of A square, B square, C square. So here you prove that that is equal to 4 times of A square, B square, C square. Okay. Yes, note it. Okay. Yes, I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So just listen. If you see the element of that means here column wise, uh, uh, here you see that
Sir.
yes, A, B, and C is column, that means common in first column, second column, and third column. So you take out A, B, C from first column, second column, and third column. So you write here left side, and yes, taking A, B, C common from C1, C2, and C3. So here you have A, here you have A plus B, A plus B, and here you have B, here you have C, B, and B plus C, and in third column you have A plus C, A, and C. In this way, here you have elements. Okay. Now, again you trying to make two zeros. So what you do, here you applying, that means if you are adding these two and subtract from this column, so what you have, A plus C minus A plus C, so it becomes 0. In the same way, if you are subtracting here, that means adding these two and subtract from that, so here you have minus 2b, sorry, plus 2b, and adding this and subtract to this one, so in this case here you have 2b, here you have 2b. So in this way you can take two common from the first column, understand? So anyhow you have to make zeros in the entire element. Okay. So you're trying to that means taking the operation likewise. Okay, so first you do what you do here. Yes, c1, c1 replaced by, yes, write it, c1 replaced by c1 plus c2 minus c3. Just check it, this operation, c1 replaced by c1 plus c2 minus c3. So if you are adding a and c and subtract it, so here you have 0. Okay, so write it. Here you have a, b, c, which is common. Here 0, no, this one. Adding these two and subtract, that means this c3. So what you have, 2b. Here you have 2 times of b. Understand? In the same way, here you have 2b. Here you adding c1 and c2 and subtract it. So again you have 2b. Okay. Now write remaining elements c, b, b plus c. Here you have a plus c, a, and c. So just you see here 2b is common from first column. So yes, take out. 2b is common. So here you have 2 times of a, b square c, and here 0, 1, 1, c, b, b plus c, and here you have a plus c, a, c. Yes, write it. In this way you have the elements. Now you make other zeros here. So how it becomes 0? So R2 replaced by R2 minus R3. So if you are applying R2 replaced by R2 minus R3, so here you have 0. Okay. So applying its next operation, R2 is replaced by R2 minus R3. R2 replaced by R2 minus R3. So that is equal to 2 times of A, B square C into elements of R1. You write as it is 0 C A plus C, 0 C A plus C, and second row here you have 0. And if you are subtracting R2 minus R3, so you have minus C here, and here you have A minus C, and A minus C, and third row you write as it is 1 B plus C, and Here you have C. Okay. Now expanding with respect to C1. So if you are expanding with respect to C1, what you do? Yes. So eliminating, yes, applying it. So 2ab square C into, so eliminating here third row and first column. So here you have multiplying C with a minus C. So you have AC minus C square, and it becomes positive. So plus AC plus AC plus C square, plus AC plus C square. So C square minus C square is cancelled out, and you have 2ab square C into 2AC, 2 times of AC. So taking its product, so you have 4 times of A square B square C square, which is your right side. 4 times of A square B square C square, and is your right side. So in this way, you can find its value. Okay, next question. That was asked in 2008. So write it. Okay, yes, trying to solve here. Determinant x square y plus z, x square y plus z, second column y square z plus x, and third column z square x plus y, and is equal to x minus y minus z minus x, and x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z. Right. You have to prove this result, x plus y plus z. Okay. So sometime you choose operation in such a way that means to see the part which we proved, which have to prove, that means on your right side. Understand? So here you see that you have the factor of x minus y, y minus z, or z minus x. Understand? So what you do here, so either you applying here operation C1 replaced by C1 minus C2, or you applying the operation C2 replaced by C2 minus C3. Means you have to take 2 operation at a time, not 3 operations. Okay, so what you applying here? C1 replaced by C1 minus C2. So applying, yes, C1 replaced by C1 minus C2. Sorry, C1 replaced by C1 minus C2, and C2 replaced by C2 minus C3. Means at a time you can take 2 operations, at most 2 operations, not beyond that. Okay, so applying here. So here you have x minus 1, x square minus y square And here if you subtract, z is cancelled out and you have y minus x. Here you have y minus x. In the same way, second column y minus z, y square minus z square, and if you here subtract, so you have z minus y, and third column you write as it is, z square x plus y, x plus y. You take the element in this way. Understand? Right. And yes, taking common here. Yes, taking common, x minus y and y minus z is common in C1 and C2. So you have x minus y and y minus z is common. So here you have 1 x plus y, and here you have minus 1, and 1 y plus z. Here you have minus 1, and z square x plus y, x plus y. So in this way, here you have the element. Understand? Okay, write it. Here you take common x minus y and x plus y, and you have the elements likewise. Okay, now your second factor is z minus x. So here you think about in such a way that you have z minus x. So how you have z minus x? So just you
C1 minus C2.
yes, C2 what? C1 replaced by
C1 minus C2.
yes, you can apply C1 minus C2. Yes, applying it. So C1 is replaced by C1 minus C2. So if you applying here, you have x minus y, y minus z, and here C1 minus C2, so you have 0. And if you here subtract it, so you have x minus z, and here you have 0. Okay, and right next, that means element as it is, y plus z minus 1, z, z square, and x plus y. You have in this way. So you can take out common z minus x from first column. Okay, so here you have minus 1, no problem, here you have minus 1. Okay, so yeah, write it. So you have x minus y, y minus z, and z minus x. So within determinant, you have 0 minus 1 0. You have 0 minus 1 0, and in second column you have y plus z, and minus 1, and in third column z square x plus y, x plus y. Okay, now expanding with respect to C1. So expand it, x minus y minus z, z minus x. So if you expand it, so here you have 1 into eliminating first column and second row. So you have product of 1 into x plus y, which is x plus y, and what? Here you eliminating this one, and here you have plus z, plus z. Okay, so you have your answer, x minus y, y minus z, z minus x into x plus y plus z. So that is your right side. So in this way, you prove your result. Yes, right. Again, next question. Yeah, right. Prove that determinant A cube, B cube, C cube. Here you have 2, 2, 2, A, B, C. A, B, C is equal to 2 times of A minus B, B minus C, C minus A into A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. Okay, so you have to prove the result in this way. So as per your required result, you can very easily see that which operation here you can take. So if you applying R1 replaced by R1 minus R2, so here you have 0 and here you have A cube minus B cube and A minus B is here. Okay. In the same way, R2 replaced by R2 minus R3. Okay. So you can applying this operation also. So you have the similar type of result. So taking left side and applying R1 replaced by R1 minus R2 and R2 replaced by R2 minus R3. R2 minus R3. So what you have? Here you have A cube minus B cube. Here you have 0 and A minus B. In the same way, B cube minus C cube 0 and here you have B minus C. And third row you write as it is C cube 2 and C. Okay. So you can take out common, that means A minus B and B minus C from R1 and R2. Yes, take out common. So if you are taking A minus B and B minus C common from R1 and R2, so here what you have? Here you have A square plus AB plus B square. Here what you have? A square plus AB plus B square. Here you have B square plus BC plus C square, and here you have C cube. Here you have 0, 1, and 0, 1, and here 2 and C. So in this way, you have the element which we left. Now what you do? You have to make other 0 also. How you make it? R1 replaced by R1 minus R2. So if you are taking R1 minus R2, here you have 0, here 0, and here some terms are cancelled out. So no problem. The terms which we left, write it. Okay. So applying it. So C1 replaced by R1 replaced by, sorry, R1 replaced by R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2, you applying that result and see what you have. Here you have A minus B, B minus C, and determinant R1 minus R2. So if you subtract here, B square is cancelled out, and you have A square plus AB, A square plus AB minus BC minus C square, minus BC minus C square, and here you have 0 and 0 next term, and write the remaining elements as it is. So B square plus BC plus C square, and 0, 1 here, and C square, sorry, C cube, na? Yes, here you have C cube, 2 and C. The C cube, 2 and C, the element which we left. Okay, now expanding it with respect to R1. You can expand it with respect to R1. So what you have, you eliminate first row and that means first column. Okay, what will eliminate? If you are expanding with respect to that means first row, so first of all you have this element, the complete this element you write here, and eliminating that row and first column, so you multiplying it. Understand? So use it. So a minus b, b minus c, you have this element, and this element which be your first element here. So AQ plus AB minus BC minus C square, okay? And then what you write? Eliminating first row, first column. So if you are eliminating first row, first column, this row and this column is eliminated. So which element is left? So 0 into C, that is
Minus
0.
2.
So here you have minus 2. Here you have minus 2. Okay, so minus 2 you can take out common, and this minus sign, change the sign which is given here. Okay, so you are applying. So here I'm not comfortable to write there. So I rub this upper, that means the portion which I solved here, and come to back to this portion. Okay, so right, its remaining portion. Hurry up because the time is about to over also. So write it here, a minus b, b minus c, and 2 times, write it here 2 times, 2 times of a minus b and b minus c, and here change its sign. So you have c square minus a square minus ab plus bc. Understand? Now factorize it. 2 times of a minus b, b minus c, and if you factorize c plus a, c minus a, and what is common in between them? So if you are taking b common, so you have a minus c. Understand? Here you take b common, so you have c minus a. C minus a. You can take out common in this way. So 2 times of a minus b, b minus c, and c minus a is common. So the element which be left here, which are left here, are a plus b plus c. So that is your right side. Yes, note it. So in this way, by factorization, you have your result. Okay, so that question was asked in also asked in 2015. Actually, different sets are there, na? So that are okay. Okay, trying to